What if your next home could be delivered on a truck, placed on a foundation in days, and cost less than a new pickup truck? No mortgage, no construction nightmare, no contractor drama. Today, I'm showing you 15 modern prefab tiny homes under $70,000. Real houses, real builders, real possibilities. These aren't backyard sheds, they're not RVs. And today, I've put together the most exciting list yet. 15 modern prefab tiny homes under $70,000. Each one is permanent foundation capable, modern in design, affordable, available in the USA or Canada. Dropbox N240. The Dropbox N240 is a modern modular tiny house that delivers big value in a compact footprint, offering a 172 square foot studio, layout with a full bathroom, kitchen, and sleeping platform, starting at around $30,712, approximately $178 per square foot, with typical all-in costs, foundation, installation, taxes, crane, and optional furnishings, estimated between $35,712 and $42,712, depending on your site conditions. Designed for low-impact living, it emphasizes bringing nature in with panoramic views, built-in storage, and an optional outdoor terrace, making it a great choice for minimalist homes or AD-US with a light footprint. The standard floor plan features a fully equipped kitchen, bathroom with shower, a queen bed platform with storage, and an outdoor terrace that enhances your connection to the surroundings. Shipping and delivery logistics depend on your location and installation requirements. While the base price covers the modular unit itself, foundation work, installation-related costs, and permits should be factored into your total budget. The Modivista by Modino Tiny Homes. The Modivista by Modino Tiny Homes is a modern, affordable prefab tiny house designed to deliver compact, efficient living, with all the essentials you need in under 300 square feet. At approximately 266 square feet, the Modivista includes a full one-bedroom, one-bath layout, with a kitchen and living area built into a sleek, contemporary design that maximizes space and natural light, making it ideal as a primary tiny residence, backyard ADU, or guest suite, all while keeping costs competitive at around $49,999 approximately $68,599 Canadian dollars, for the base model. D. Modino Tiny Homes specializes in sustainable, energy-efficient prefab units built for smart living, with worldwide shipping available. Units are fabricated to high standards with options for customization, and delivery typically takes place within a few months after order, with logistics coordinated by the builder for both the USA and Canada. Because final pricing depends on model selection and your delivery location, shipping costs are calculated when you request a quote, and Modino assists with planning and logistics as part of the ordering process. BACKCOUNTRY Casita. The BACKCOUNTRY Casita from Nevada is priced at about $60,000 and offers 361 square feet of living space. It's a foldable steel modular home designed to ship flat and unfold on site in just a few hours. Once installed on a foundation, it becomes a permanent residential structure built to code. Inside, the Casita is a fully finished studio with a real kitchen, full bathroom, modern cabinetry, integrated lighting, and clean contemporary finishes. The structure uses steel framing and composite panels for long-term durability, with insulation that meets residential standards. Optional solar and water tank systems make it possible to run off-grid. The standout feature here is speed and simplicity. It arrives finished, unfolds, locks into place, and becomes a real modern tiny home without long construction delays. Wolf Industries Model B. Next is the Wolf Industries Model B from Washington, priced around $67,500 with roughly 300 square feet of space. This is a true factory-built modular ADU designed for backyard living or rental income. The layout includes a separate bedroom, a full bathroom, a complete kitchen with appliances included, and a living room area that feels like a compact apartment rather than a tiny house. Built indoors under controlled conditions, it features high-quality insulation, residential windows, modern exterior finishes, and turnkey interiors. Optional solar and septic packages allow off-grid or rural installation. For buyers wanting a fully finished one-bedroom prefab home that feels permanent and practical, this model delivers excellent value just under the $70,000 mark. Nomad Cube 3. From British Columbia comes the Nomad Cube 3, priced around 69,800 Canadian dollars, or roughly 52,000 US dollars. It offers 225 square feet plus a loft sleeping space. This flat-pack modular micro-home arrives as precision-cut panel components that assemble in about 40 hours. The wall panels are engineered for cold climate insulation, making it suitable for year-round living. Inside, the layout includes a functional kitchen, full bathroom, and loft bedroom. Nomad also offers full off-grid packages with solar, batteries, and water systems. The design is sleek, modern, and minimal, making it ideal for backyard installations, vacation cabins, or full-time minimalist living at one of the lowest price points for a modern prefab tiny home. Summerwood Oban Cabin. For those who love warm wood aesthetics, the Summerwood Oban Cabin from Ontario offers a Nordic-inspired timber prefab cabin kit ranging from $20,000 to $40,000, depending on size and window options. Sizes range from 168 to 400 square feet. The Oban uses thick timber wall systems that provide natural insulation and 4-season durability. Buyers receive pre-cut wall sections, roof panels, windows, and doors ready for assembly. Interiors are typically owner-finished, allowing full customization while keeping costs low. The result is a cozy, real wood cabin that feels timeless, durable, and surprisingly affordable for year-round use. All-Wood Avalon. The All-Wood Avalon cabin is another standout value. Priced at about $32,990 for the structural kit, it provides approximately 540 square feet of space, plus an additional 218 square feet of loft sleeping area. Built from durable, slow-grown Nordic spruce, this solid wood cabin features thick, 2 3/4-inch tongue-and-groove wall planks for excellent energy efficiency, with optional 3 3/4-inch walls and extra insulation for cold or harsh winter climates. The kit includes precision-milled wood components, floor and roof boards, pre-hung doors, glazed windows, and all necessary hardware, with clear DIY assembly instructions, though a forklift or small crane is recommended. With an 8 feet 2 inches wall height, nearly 13 feet ridge height, generous roof pitch, and strong snow load ratings, the Avalon is engineered for 4-season durability. Assembly takes roughly 2 weeks, and while it ships only to the contiguous U.S. states with additional delivery fees, it arrives as a complete factory-direct custom-built kit, excluding shingles, tar paper, and foundation materials, with a 4 to 6 month lead time and stage payment plan, making it a premium yet highly functional prefab cabin solution for long-term permanent living. Studio Shed Portland. Studio Shed's Portland model brings modern ADU design to the backyard. Priced around $56,000 and ranging from 192 to 256 square feet, this modular studio arrives fully finished inside and out. The interior includes flooring, wall finishes, lighting, a kitchenette, and a full bathroom. Exterior materials offer clean contemporary styling with large windows and efficient insulation approaching passive house standards. It works perfectly as a guest house, rental unit, or minimalist urban tiny home. For an even lower entry point, Studio Shed's Pagoda model costs roughly $29,500 and offers 120 square feet of finished studio space. It arrives turnkey with completed interior finishes, windows, and doors, ready for utility hookups. Its compact size makes it ideal for backyard micro-living, home offices converted to tiny dwellings, or starter ADU projects. Jamaica Cottage, Vermont Cabin. Jamaica Cottage Shop from Vermont delivers serious timber frame cabin kits ranging from about $45,000 to $60,000, with sizes from 320 to 640 square feet. Featuring an open concept floor plan with soaring ceilings and a full-size loft that nearly doubles usable living and storage space, this cabin maximizes every square foot while offering flexible window placement and optional additional windows to flood the interior with natural light. The layout is easily customizable, allowing you to choose a full loft, partial loft, ladder, or stair access, and even add shed or doghouse dormers to brighten the upper level. Expansion options such as porches, overhangs, or enclosed additions further increase livable space and outdoor comfort. Sold as a precision, pre-cut kit with clear assembly instructions, the Vermont cabin can be finished as a simple shell or upgraded with 3-season or 4-season insulation packages, making it suitable for everything from an off-grid tiny home or vacation retreat to a guest house, Airbnb rental, studio, or workshop. All handcrafted in the USA and shipped nationwide, with optional step-by-step building plans available for DIY enthusiasts. Mighty Small Homes Modular Studio. Mighty Small Homes offers a modular studio priced around $65,000 with roughly 400 square feet of space. The Modern Kit by Mighty Small Homes is a thoughtfully designed prefab housing solution that blends contemporary style with practical livability, offering a streamlined, customizable, tiny home experience. Built to modern residential standards, the Modern Kit typically includes precision fabricated wall panels, roof trusses, and engineered structural elements that simplify on-site assembly and ensure long-term durability. It features a flexible open-plan layout that can accommodate a living area, kitchen space, bathroom, and loft or sleeping area, all within a compact footprint optimized for everyday living. The kit's high-quality materials often include advanced insulation for year-round comfort, energy-efficient windows and doors, and provisions for plumbing and electrical systems, allowing for straightforward integration with utilities. Designed with both aesthetics and function in mind, the Modern Kit's clean lines, modern finishes, and thoughtful spatial use make it suitable for use as a primary residence, accessory dwelling unit, ADU, guest house, or rental property. While specific dimensions and configurations can vary depending on customer preferences and local building codes, Mighty Small Homes emphasizes turnkey quality and flexibility, offering options for upgrades such as enhanced insulation levels, premium fixtures, and exterior finishes that match contemporary architectural tastes. This kit is engineered for those seeking a permanent, well-insulated small home that feels spacious and stylish despite its modest size, and it's backed by a builder with experience in delivering reliable prefab housing solutions. BACKCOUNTRY Hut. The System Zero Tiny House Kit by BACKCOUNTRY Hut Company is a compact, modern A-frame prefab cabin designed to be highly accessible, easy to assemble, and versatile for use as a small studio, guest space, meditation room, or minimalist retreat. It features a simple 10x10 footprint with both ground level and loft space, and is sold as a flat-pack kit that can be built by a small team in under a week without heavy machinery using step-by-step assembly guides. Pricing for System 00 is around $77,595 Canadian dollars, about 56,000 US dollars, for the base kit, though this does not include shipping, site prep, foundation work, assembly labor, or interior finishes, and exact delivery costs depend on your site's accessibility and distance from the manufacturer in Courtenay, British Columbia. BACKCOUNTRY Hut will coordinate logistics during consultation. The shell system includes the structural walls, roof, windows, and exterior finishes, but interior layout and fixtures are left to the buyer's customization. System 00 is engineered with robust insulation, typically rock wool batt, and a steep roof with a high snow load capacity, and the kit is compatible with various foundation types. While small and streamlined, it captures an iconic A-frame aesthetic and offers a durable, build-your-own option for those seeking a minimalist cabin or auxiliary dwelling in both the US and Canada. Arched cabins, XL34 spin. Arched cabins offer steel prefab cabins priced between $25,000 to $65,000 with sizes from 240 to 400 square feet. Their arched steel shell structures are rated for hurricanes, heavy snow, and fire resistance. Interiors are finished by the owner, allowing flexibility in layout and budget. The result is a strong, modern shell that keeps costs low while offering impressive structural durability. The base XL34 model spans 34 feet wide and is available in depths of 36 feet, 40 feet, or 46 feet, with price points around $36,792 for 36 feet, $41,080 for 40 feet, and $47,242 for 46 feet, all including R33 insulation and color coding upgrades to improve energy efficiency and longevity. The interior height from floor to ridge beam sits over 20 feet, giving ample headroom and the potential for lofts and multiple rooms, with total enclosed space up to roughly 3,013 square feet with high loft options. Kits arrive with all the essential structural components: ribs, curved steel supports, base plates, insulation, metal roof panels, fasteners, and a build manual. But interior finishes, utilities, and foundation materials are not included, giving you freedom to customize your layout. Shipping to your site is calculated at about $2.50 per mile from Cyprus, Texas for XL kits, and delivery quotes are provided based on distance with bundled shipping options available. Kite House K 3 Series. The K3 series by Kit House is a versatile modular building system from California that delivers modern prefab structures perfect for backyard studios, offices, guest spaces, pool houses, or even small ADUs, built with lightweight yet durable structural anodized aluminum framing and SIP insulation panels for year-round comfort and minimal ecological impact. Models in the series range from compact units like the 120 to 169 square foot K, 3.8 basic and cube variants starting around $43,000 up to more complete studio versions with bathroom and kitchenette, with the larger options pushing closer to the $70,000 plus range depending on features and finishes, bathrooms, or decks. Standard finishes include dual glazed low-E windows and a choice of exterior claddings such as corrugated galvalume or smooth cement board, with customization available for hardwood siding and other upgrades. Shipping and installation costs vary by location and project scope, and most units are designed for on-site assembly with local contractors handling foundation and utility hookups. Permit requirements depend on local building codes. Avrame small A-frame. Finally, the Avrame small A-frame offers iconic alpine design for roughly $50,000 to $75,000 finished, with sizes between 240 and 400 square feet. These prefab structural kits use engineered panels designed for slab foundations, fast assembly, and strong snow load performance. Inside, layouts include loft bedrooms with open living areas below. The A-frame silhouette delivers timeless style combined with modern prefab efficiency. And there you have it, 15 real modern prefab tiny houses under $70,000. Some are turnkey, some are modular, some are kits, and some are off-grid ready. But every single one proves that affordable tiny living no longer means sacrificing design, comfort, or durability. Whether you're downsizing, building rental income, adding a backyard home, or creating a vacation retreat, these homes show that modern prefab living is more attainable than ever. Let me know in the comments which tiny house impressed you the most. Subscribe for weekly prefab and tiny home discoveries. And I'll see you in the next video.